In this video, I will show you how to compare your own data with Vesper's market data. I have added my price series in the your data section. So now I move to the dashboard section. And what I do now is I find my price comparison widget. If you don't have that, you go to the top right corner of your screen, you click edit, you add the widget, price comparison here, and then you click done, and then you find your price comparison widget. Now I need to select my product, so I click this drop down, I click your data, I choose the product that I want to see, and I do the same for the market data. So I find butter, I click EU VPI, and now two lines are popping up. One of it's my own data, and the other one is Vesper's market data. And what I can do now in order to compare it more clearly is I can activate a spread as well to show how far I was off at a certain point in time. This will help me compare how I've been doing over the last year in the market.